To strengthen the middle and lower trapezius muscles, we're going to do the same exercise at both the wall and the floor being a little bit more difficult. So as we move through this, if you find the wall to be challenging enough, do the next round at the wall. If you find this to be simple at the wall and challenging on the ground, go ahead and make your way to the ground and join in. We'll start facing the wall. Arms come out at cactus. Elbows go directly out from the shoulders and then bend 90 degrees. From here, we're going to externally rotate our shoulders. So the forearms and the hands come off the wall and then lower them back down. We'll do 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to add the second step. Start by externally rotating. Keep the shoulders moving away from the ears. Keep this external rotation, lift the elbows off the wall. Lower just the elbows back towards the wall, and then forearms back to the wall. So forearms lift, elbows down, forearms down. Forearms lift, elbows down, forearms down. Forearms lift, elbows down, forearms down. One more, forearms lift, elbows down, forearms down. Again, for this second round, you can either stay at the wall or you can join me on the mat. Start by lying prone on the floor, elbows coming out from the shoulders and bending 90 degrees. Forehead comes down to the floor, shoulders move away from the ears. Starting with the external rotation, forearms lift, keeping the elbows down, lower the forearms down. Let's do 2 more just like that. Externally rotating, lifting the forearms, keeping the elbows to the floor, lower the arms down. Last one, lift the forearms, keeping the elbows down, and then lower the forearms down. Adding the second part. Externally rotate, keeping the elbows down, shoulders move away from the ears. Now lift the elbows off the ground, elbows come back down, forearms down. Forearms lift, elbows down, forearms down. Externally rotating, lifting the forearms, lift the elbows down, forearms down. Externally rotate, lift the elbows down, forearms down. Forearms lift, elbows down, forearms down. Forearms lift, elbows down, forearms down. 3 more. Forearms lift, elbows down, forearms down. 2 more. Forearms, elbows down, forearms down. Last one. Forearms lift, elbows down, forearms down. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of strengthening our middle and lower trapezius muscles. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.